Amazing! Sarcastic na talaga yun. Haba. Anyway, ako nga pala si Joel Ferrer. Ako yung... Anyway, gusto kong gawin yung opportunity para magpasalamat sa... Before anything else, yung cast and crew talaga. Yung cast, yung staff, thank you sa inyo sa pagtanggap ng project na to kasi... Ewan kung ba nyo tinanggap, pero wala na, uli na. Tapos yung, yung cast, thank you din sa inyo, especially sa inyo kasi actually matagal na itong project na iniisip namin, matagal na siyang pinaplano. Pero with you guys, salamat sa inyo, nagkaroon siya ng fruition. And of course the staff sa Cornerstone, sa Create Cinema, Star Magic, salamat sa inyo lahat. And sobrang na-enjoy namin gawin to talaga, sobrang dream project sa akin to. Bukas na yung showing niya, so sana panoorin nyo lahat.
Hello, magandang gabi. Excited na ba kayo manood ng Fruitcake?
Yes, excited na excited na! Uy, nakalabas na kayo sa ulo mo. Diba kasi sa senior high, talagang abangan nyo siya bilang ang dami rin yung kasama doon ng mga departing stars na ng bonggang-bongga. And of course, sa Batang Quiapo din.
Wala na akong bigote.
Kulit nga eh. Paano na nagagawa mo parang iba-ibang characters pero alam mo yun, at the end of the day, hindi ka nalilito sa mga pinoportray mo.
Siyempre, with the guidance of the directors din, and preparation, and kinalala ko mga characters na ginagawa ng Pagano. But other than that, nakabaliw na rin ako.
Malapit na.
Konti na lang, hindi ko na kilala sarili.
Hindi, pero talagang napakagaling mo kasing actor, Elijah. And I'm looking forward din na mas marami ka pang projects iba in the future. And of course, talaga naman, magtuloy-tuloy pa ang bongga ng career mo. Congratulations, you deserve it, Elijah. And once again, bilang nandito tayo sa Fruitcake, ano ang nililook forward mo dito sa movie na to, bilang showing natin tomorrow?
Fan kasi din ako ng team, ng filmmaking team dito, Joel, and of course, support din ako sa Cornerstone. And sobrang big time ako sa mga actors eh. So, excited ako makita ako yung classic comedy, ipapanood dito. Kaya siya nakakabasa, hindi ko lang nagawin, as a fan of Joel. And yeah, excited ako manood din.
Correct. At dahil dyan, Elijah, ibitahin niyo na sila natin tomorrow, manood na!
Gusto namin ma-entertain at yung sa comedy. Diba? Gusto namin kasi tumawa. Diba? Gusto naman natin lahat tumawa. Diba?
Ay, himatay ako na.
Alright, so guys, don't forget to watch Fruitcake. It's showing tomorrow nationwide. Let's go.
Ubi ko eh, no?
Oo, pero
Maraming salamat sa lahat.
ano mo, upcoming movie ng mga susunod na projects. Ano yung nilook forward mo dito for this movie?
I'm going to support my friend Marcus and of course, well, it's for Marcus.
Okay, na-support naman. Si Marcos kasama namin natin sa more show.
Alex din, Alex din.
Alex Diaz. Dahil dyan, invite ko sila na tomorrow, sabi na kasi ito, issue ng artist dito.
So lahat ng lahat na dito ngayon, ang dahil sa Fruitcake is now showing nationwide.
Ang tagal namin ko yung moment na to, kasi muna tayo dito, Jero.
Ay, padam-dam ka na.
Kasama ko
May
dito.
Philippines, sumama na kayo. Sumama na kayong dalawa. Pinay-jack na agad ang dalawa.
Kamusta? How y'all doing?
How are you doing?
I asked first.
Father's Day is coming up. Glad to know. What's your plan?
I don't know, what's my surprise?
Secret pa. But what do you want? Your Father's Day, it's a different thing for you right now.
Nothing. I'm happy just to be with my baby and your mom and Phoebe.
You're very hands-on. You're very hands-on when it comes to your kid. So how do you plan? You know, this is your
First pa lang!
First Father's Day.
It's okay.
First Father's Day mo.
Father's Day, yeah. Second Father's Day.
Ano lang pakiramdam?
Well, every day is new naman eh. As she gets older, lagi nagbabago. Past few days, every time she wakes up, masungit siya sa amin. So, it's always different. I have no idea. You better na no comment, parang walang mistake.
Sino gusto magkaroon ng
Ikaw naman, you've always been a 10.
I mean, honestly, I just love the fact that sunod-sunod yung trabaho niya. At nakaka-excite kasi iba't ibang character yung nagagampanan niya sa mga pelikula niya. Next naman, horror. So, nakakatuwa lang talaga.
Nakakatuwa niyo yung support mo, no? Napaka-genuine and tagus sa puso na it's your solo project. Usually the love team won't be there.
I mean, listen, I don't have work at the moment. I'm free. So as long as I'm free and I'm not busy, I'll be there for her.
Oh my gosh! Maganda yung soundbite mo na yun. And how do you feel Marvel fans are here?
It's super cute. I found it flattering. Every time they're there, you know? No matter if it's my project or her project or together, it's super sweet.
I know you have your past relationships, Heaven has her past relationships, but you're in the same artist space with one. And natanong kasi if open siya makatrabaho si Heaven, that kind of went viral. And okay lang sa'yo na makatrabaho niya ang ex niya.
Me?
Siya.
Oh, her? Honestly, I don't care. Like, as long as it brings money home and she loves the job and she loves the character, who am I to judge, you know?
Grabe, but why bring money home?
Because we gotta put food on the table, MJ.
Magkasama na ba kayo? Magkasama ba kayo sa home?
No, it's just the same.
A metaphor.
It's a metaphor.
Mabuting malinaw. Yun din yung Marvin fans.
Walang tayo sa mga cast natin,
Oh, excited ka pa rin natin! Happy Tuesday night! Sana ma-enjoy nyo ang fruiting namin. It's our fruiting to you.
Correct. Thank you so much, Kuya Alex. And of course, Matt, hi ka muna. Correct. Of course, si Marcos na tayo na excited kanina. Si Karina Bautista. Thank you, Karina. And of course, si Kuina na napaka-colorful. Kuina Marcano. And of course, the Rockmania Junior and Sir Dominic Ochoa. Thank you so much, Paul. Good. Okay, ito na. Ang second batch natin, of course, McCoy Dobbs. Nandiyan, Katie Estrada. Kyla Estrada. Megan Pedaliera. Jane Elisa. Of course, Epcot Marquez. And John King. Okay, dapat-dapat na naliliparan. Umpisahan na muna natin kay McCoy Dobbs.
Hello, yes, hindi po sa inyo lahat.
Ayan, syempre invite mo sila na tomorrow ang showing.
Oo, yes, we're inviting everyone tomorrow na ang showing ng Fruit Cake, all cinemas, yes.
Correct. And of course, Kyla.
Yes, good evening everybody. Gusto lang namin sabihin na maraming salamat for being here and supporting the community. Katulad nga sa aking McCoy, bukas showing dito sa Sana ko. Kasama kayo ng barkada, kasama kayo ng pamilya sa event.
Ikaw ganang outfit mo, Kyla. Ay, fairness naman sa'yo,
Matching mo naman tayo.
Okay, eto na. Syempre pa, bro, Katie Estrada.
Maraming salamat sa mga I love you too. Goodwill, bukas dito. Cinema Station,
Of course, nandiyan ang Get Pretty in Red. Elglan Parareco.
po kasi bukas, walang pasok, walang trabaho, holiday, pwede po kayo pumila sa sasakyan para sa
Lots of fun. Ayun, tawanan. Siyempre may iyakan din, sa balance. And yeah, just amazing acting from my fellow actors.
Para sa iba-iba naman, salamat sa